Hello, Conrad.
Hello, Melody.
I am very happy to be here today.
I am excited about our topic.
Today, we have a delicious topic. We will talk all about food. It is one of my favorite things to discuss.
That is a wonderful topic. Everyone loves to eat and talk about food. It is something we all understand.
It connects all of us. Let us begin with the first meal of the day. That meal is breakfast.
Yes, breakfast is very important. Melody, what do you eat for breakfast on a normal weekday?
During the week, I like something fast and easy. I often eat yogurt with granola and some fresh fruit.
That sounds very healthy and quick. I need something a little bigger. I usually have eggs in the morning.
How do you cook your eggs? I like mine scrambled. Do you fry them?
I usually scramble them too. I sometimes add a little cheese and some black pepper. It is very simple.
Cheese and eggs is very tasty. I also must have coffee with my breakfast. I cannot start my day without it.
I understand that. I drink tea in the morning instead of coffee. I prefer black tea with a little milk and no sugar.
What about the weekend? Do you eat a different breakfast on Saturday or Sunday? Weekends are special.
Yes, on weekends I have more time to cook. I like to make big fluffy pancakes for my family.
I love pancakes. Do you put butter and syrup on them? That is my favorite way.
Of course. I use maple syrup. Sometimes I add fresh berries like blueberries or strawberries on top.
That sounds like a perfect weekend breakfast. I sometimes make French toast. My children love it.
After a few hours, it is time for lunch. What do you usually eat for lunch, Melody?
I usually bring my lunch to work from home. I often pack a big salad with lots of vegetables.
A salad is a great light choice for lunch. What do you put in your salad to make it interesting?
I use fresh lettuce, cucumbers, and bell peppers. For protein, I add some grilled chicken or some beans.
That is very healthy and sounds delicious. I often eat leftovers from last night's dinner for my lunch.
Leftovers are a great idea. It saves time, and you do not waste food. It is a good use of time.
Yes, it is a good idea. Do you ever eat out for lunch with your coworkers?
Sometimes, usually on Fridays. My coworkers and I go to a small cafe near our office. It is a nice treat.
That sounds like a nice break from work. What do you like to order at the cafe?
They have wonderful homemade soup and sandwiches. I like their creamy tomato soup very much, especially with crackers.
Soup is so comforting on a cool day. I like sandwiches too. My favorite sandwich is a turkey club with extra bacon.
What about in between meals? Do you eat snacks during the day, Conrad?
Yes, I do. I usually have a small snack in the afternoon around 3 o'clock. It gives me energy to finish the day.
I always get hungry in the afternoon, too. What kind of snacks do you like to eat?
I try to eat healthy snacks.
I like to eat a piece of fruit, like an apple or a banana.
Sometimes I have some carrots.
Fruit and vegetables are a very good choice. I like to eat a small handful of nuts, like almonds or walnuts.
Nuts are a great snack.
They have protein and are very filling. Do you ever eat sweet snacks?
Sometimes I want something sweet. I might have a small piece of dark chocolate or a yogurt.
Dark chocolate is a good option.
I sometimes have a granola bar if I am very busy.
It is a quick and easy snack.
That is a good idea for a fast snack. It is easy to carry one in your bag.
We have talked about food, but what about drinks? What do you normally drink during the day?
That is a very important question. I drink a lot of water all day long. I try to drink 8 glasses every day.
Me too. It is very important to stay hydrated.
I always keep a big bottle of water on my desk at work.
What about other drinks besides water? Do you drink anything else?
We talked about my morning tea.
In the afternoon, I sometimes drink iced tea, especially if it is a hot day.
I make it myself.
I love fresh iced tea with a slice of lemon. We know I drink coffee in the morning. Sometimes I have a second cup in the afternoon.
Do you ever drink juice or soda? Many people drink those every day.
Not very often. I sometimes have a small glass of orange juice with breakfast. I very rarely drink soda because it has too much sugar.
I am the same way. I do not like very sweet drinks.
I prefer water or unsweetened tea.
Now for the biggest meal, dinner. Do you cook dinner at home every night?
I cook most nights, maybe 5 times a week. I find that cooking helps me relax after a long day at work.
I agree completely. It is a nice way to be creative and end the day. What are your favorite things to make for dinner?
I like to make simple, healthy meals. I often bake chicken or fish with roasted vegetables.
It is easy and delicious.
That sounds wonderful. I like to make pasta dishes. My family loves my spaghetti with homemade meatballs.
Spaghetti and meatballs is a classic family dinner. I enjoy grilling food when the weather is warm and sunny.
What do you like to put on the grill?
I like to grill burgers or chicken breasts.
I also love grilling vegetables like zucchini, onions, and corn on the cob.
Grilled vegetables are so delicious. They get a nice smoky flavor that is so good. Dinner is an important family time for us.
It is for my family too. We all sit at the table together. We turn off the television and just talk.
We have discussed many different meals. But what is your most favorite food in the world, Conrad? If you could only eat one thing?
That is a very difficult question to answer. But I think my favorite food is a really good pizza.
Pizza is a popular and great choice. What toppings do you like to have on your pizza?
I like a mix of meat and vegetables.
My perfect pizza has pepperoni, mushrooms,
onions and green peppers.
That sounds like a perfect combination. My favorite food is probably tacos. I love Mexican food.
Tacos are fun and delicious to eat.
You can change them to how you like.
Yes, I like them with ground beef, cheese, lettuce, and lots of fresh salsa. A little sour cream is good too.
Now let us talk about comfort foods. What food makes you feel happy and cozy, like a warm blanket?
For me, that food is macaroni and cheese. My mother used to make it for me when I was a child. It is full of memories.
That is a perfect comfort food. It is so cheesy and warm and simple.
What is your comfort food, Conrad?
My comfort food is a big, warm bowl of chili. I especially love it in the autumn and winter.
Chili is very filling and warm. Do you make it spicy or mild?
I make it medium spicy.
I like to eat it with cornbread on the side to soak up the sauce.
I think we saved the best topic for last. Let us talk about dessert.
I agree. This is a great topic.
I definitely have a sweet tooth.
Do you enjoy dessert after dinner?
Yes, I love a little something sweet after my meal. My favorite dessert is ice cream. I love almost every flavor.
There are so many flavors to choose from. What is your #1 favorite flavor?
It has to be mint chocolate chip. I love the cool mint flavor mixed with the rich pieces of chocolate. What about you?
That is a refreshing choice.
My favorite ice cream is classic strawberry. I love the real pieces of fruit in it.
What about other desserts? Do you prefer cake or pie?
I am a big fan of pie.
My favorite is a warm slice of apple pie.
It must have a scoop of vanilla ice cream on top.
That is the only way to eat apple pie. I prefer cake over pie. My favorite is a rich, dark chocolate cake with chocolate frosting.
A good chocolate cake is hard to beat.
That sounds amazing.
Well, Conrad, this has been a very fun conversation. I learned a lot about what you like to eat.
Me too, Melody.
Talking about all this delicious food has made me very hungry. I am ready for lunch.
We covered everything from breakfast to dessert. We also talked about drinks and snacks.
It shows that food is a big and interesting topic. It is a very important part of our lives and culture.
It truly is. Thank you for this wonderful chat about food. I really enjoyed it.
Thank you, Melody.
Goodbye for now.
Goodbye.
I hope you eat something wonderful today.